Do you ever do pull downs when you're working out? If so, listen up. There are some key things that you need to keep in mind in order to make sure you are getting the most from this exercise. Hey, welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday, where all month long we are going to be talking about the pull down exercise. There are some very specific things that you need to keep in mind to make sure that this exercise is both safe and effective for you.
This week on Trainer Tip Tuesday, we are continuing our conversation about the pull-down machine. Today, I'm going to talk to you about what you should be thinking about while you're doing this exercise to highlight the right motion and the right muscle groups. When you do the lat pull-down machine, the biggest motion that we can visually see are the arms coming down, and you're going to go into elbow flexion and shoulder extension. Go ahead and do that, Charlie. So all this external arm motion that you're seeing is what we normally think about. We also want to take our attention to the shoulder blades. The shoulder blades are harder to visually see because they don't have a large limb like the arm, but they are highly involved with this exercise. So as you pull your arms and elbows down, you want to be thinking about pulling your shoulder blades down as well, almost like you're sliding them down your rib cage going towards your back pockets. So every time you do a pull down, you want to be imagining that the blades are helping too. And at the very bottom position, you should be pulling with your muscle tissue to pull the blades down. On the way up, you are slowly guiding your arms to go back up, but also slowly guiding your shoulder blades to move at the same time.
Keep these tips in mind the next time you do the pull down exercise to make sure you are getting the most out of it that you can.